wanna see how we alone. Look how hard we try, nobody here we cry. Them not care for you but we alone. Been through the storm when the rain is on. We saw no one.
Morning, good morning. Rotted afternoon. You know, say this morning I get up a plan, say I go make some dumpling, some fried dumpling and some ackee and sawfish. But last, I only person go on here, man. Because even right now, I'm not TV, I want a good mood now, a little way. Because all the night, like, I swell up. It's like mosquito bite or over her eye, you see me? And just as we do, it's the same speed. And because me go sleep about after 3, after 4, roughly. How many days I try to catch one trade in the morning, the GJ. You see me, I tell you, I drop asleep, so the trade, it move, just drop. And I say, I wait for it how long, you know. And you think, nah, I make a move. And just as me go drop asleep and something, in the morning, the probably call me about after 5, after 6. Like she say, her head, like, cause she bother with the pressure too. I guess she just jump up, roast like that background, you hear there? Yeah. Yeah, like she just jump up and go to the bathroom, so she kind of feel dizzy or something. You see me? So I have to get up and take care of her in the morning and then get her something to eat so she can take her pressure pill, and then she just go back to sleep. And when she go back to sleep, I lay down there, see me, they try to catch back a next trade in the morning. Catch back a next trade in the morning, and I tell her, say, miss me again. Pepper Dan. You know? Miss me again, and I say, John, no, I just call it a day. But right now, I'm never here, so your shot go down on the south side. You see me, Westmoreland side. You see, but right now, we are jump on a taxi and I go pick up a ride. London, you know, go pick up a ride and come back, because it's like, when we check the levels, we have to go deal with the car this way, because brother and kind of get caught up in a whole heap of different things, so to deal with that way. But we are going to take a mad shoe out and touch in back. You see me? We don't have to go out the 2 boats, you see me, shirt and slippers and pants. You know? A mad chap, man. Alien, man. And again, before me say that today is a taxi day. You know, you have to drop in the criteria, you know, you don't know. I don't know, fake nothing, you know, say a genuine vibes you deal with, doesn't mean easier. Touch out on the street, really this way. You know? So all who know on the town, them, you know, see on the town, them want to say, yeah, family place, that. You see me, I like how everybody jump in even from the last vlog and just check in and know, say, yo, as they see town, they know, say, I feel them town. No. Yes, man. I'm tired already. All in. Go on our preview of our one. In front of you, sir.
Stir up all niggas, stir down, you acting like me, acting like we wasn't more than a summer fling. I said farewell, you took it well. Promise I won't cry, bust the milk. Give me a paper towel, give me another valley, give me another hour or 2.
Yo, so we're just reaching at Falmouth town. Town, yeah, look busy in idea. You know? But so just one stop already. We are going to touch in NYLA town. Right now we're in a Falmouth town, you know. You know? You can see you them just left school and thing and just in a town, same scene. But for today we are going to eat some tasty patty. You know? What do you want? What do you know, say it was a juicy beef day, today is a tasty day. You see me? So, don't know, next move again, next stop again, I jump on a mobile bus. You see me? And then from there, so you jump on a soft bus. You see me? So, I don't know. watch it chop now, so we just touching that place to blood plate and it's like they pack up, you know. But I like Johnny Power side, me I tell you, say, as soon as Mama punch in and the thing print out, the wrong something print out from the machine, so she I say, alright, watch you know. We go just deal with it and make you go on real quick. I say, yeah man, appreciate man. I see that everybody will left in the line see me. Nobody now move a blood see, but I touch out and now I will jump on the bus and now to make a quick move. You see me? The bus look full, Dante. Yeah, we wait to see if we can get the bus. Shut up, yo. Oh, go on.
They are not bad, bro.
Yeah, man. Is it good? Yes, man. Everything's in the party them are real hot. Like, just ready to move. I'll just go and kick it back and wait for the next one. The next move again, I might be at all. Show no what I go on. And this is the next thing too. Hot your fuck. And juicy patty, trust me, more juicy than this. Because juicy patty they may have whole heap of cheese in it. Yeah? Right now me have one patty already, I'm not even taste no cheese in it. Right there. Argentines, one up. one up. So we just catching our mobile town here. You see me? Yeah, I'm gonna make a next move you know, and see if we can chop off the little move there and then boot it up, you see me? So a little bit more of that and a little bit more of this. You know, say next move by the time we left us we're supposed to chop off down the song. Done. So yeah, just come off I bus literally out. Them two lipping them I tell you about them school pitney at the bomb buckley. PH up the two lipping them again I bus now me as well if this a woman there one of them crazy woman we have all our sleep on him and just slap one of them in their face. They not even could say yo the human wrong because the human sit down in the bus now and the pit them a kick human in the back you know. Buckley and then when there's some things happen people I say oh me good that I don't get no trouble. See right there, I'm sure though I go out, we just reaching that town. Buckley. We can chop it go straight down sand and go up so we can chop it through yourself. Yeah. Yeah, must be a town. Can I might be up in here, sir? New building, we never know nothing at all about over there, sir. So we are just walk through town Burger King this summer down here, sir. Argentines. Yo, so that bar you're right after so. This is one bar I made in one night, Dante. We used to play pool in here so. One night, but I talk to this. I talk to this girl at the time in a Lamar, I say, you see me? And when I come in that bar like it, I come and see two girls and the boss I steer for one that girl and then like the man just turn to me and I say, yo, I go on my thugs. And I say, yo. And me I talk to him and I say, oh yeah man, you know me mommy? And I say, no dog, I don't know you. Man I say, I know you do. You know, then time they don't start run hot. You see me? As soon as the dog circle and touch in the bathroom and come out back. I just tell the girl, say, yo, I slide in man. You see me? Just jump in the car and shut off and just go drop them off and go back off in my yard. Because I say, yo, you can't touch us people. There's a PA vibes when they go on in the town down here so too. You see me? man just see man what they think say at them I look for. And can him. You see me, so I don't give no boy no chance to do nothing to him. I just step, jump in the car and slide. But just now we literally just go the wrong way star. And the traffic go all the way up the road and have to turn back, come back. Down here because the McDonald's they round to for the KFC. Burger King. I tell McDonald's are for me place, you know that already. We have a McDonald's fries them also, them no. But I'm going to our next view which bar we are walking to. Down here busy for.
We are in the town.
Yeah.
And my friend just begging my hotspot.
I think I don't pan the side, I don't know say. Enough respect there, Papa. Oh, see burger. Yo, say for me in I South Town. I want anything to buy like any computer accessories and everything basically, so we can link up CMA and National Greenland Enterprise Limited. You see me? Let me just switch the camera and show me. Literally have everything you see. So this are the and my printer, everything, and that's the CMA. Sorry. Yeah, so I have what is print, I have everything CMA, anything I print. Flyers, anything CMA, isn't it? And check in as well. The boss is saying next to IKEA. I have McDonald's, Burger King. Dante, I get McDonald's. I'm on him, I talk about McDonald's. This McDonald's. Yeah, I say they're right next to Burger King, you know? Burger King as soon as you pass the... Eh? Who? Midtown Mall. No, we know away, because we will pass have people from Midtown Mall, so anything we don't want, we can find it right, yes sir. If I car, we can find it right, that's a CMA, isn't me everything there, so. Isn't me, so I can just check in on the place. I pretend, man.
My pinch hot, brother.
Yo, see key there saying no, daddy.
You pinch hot, brother. No, brother.
Yeah.
Hey,
Yeah, I know.
you pinch too hot, brother. Back up on me, brother.
Yeah, boss.
I keep them, brother.
Which one?
When I'm saying key. I don't want that to show.
I don't know. You didn't have no key, I got a line matter.
Key drop one.
What kind of key?
Other sort of key alone, not the type on. That's the key alone.
Oh, what kind of key?
I'll key if you want me to do it. That's the key. Me have the key, man. I want key alone. That's I'm not doing. I'm not in the gun.
Beard. Oh, the way I'm up here. I'm about 10 down here. Yeah. Yeah, no twist up one.
No, twist down. They flip it.
Twist always done.
I already have them till this time. No.
Eh? How much one are you?
100.
Girl! Watch out!
Yeah, I'll go.
Hey, girl, I'm leaking on.
Yeah.
You can't hear recipe. How much is that? You can't teach me them.
Somebody in a drop no catch girl. You know that?
Where know about me?
Like that teach me with them.
No.
Somebody no ease up. This one you want girl to buy. Must be 3. The girl buy 3 200 from him on 4 donuts and $500. And the mark people, you know. And the girl say, give me one more man. Come a girl must buy must be 3 or 4. Pretty short of 50.
Yo, so we don't in the town see him here right now, and it's like it's still a wait man. So I go on, but you have some little youth, yes. Why this look black and white? In Dante? They look black and white. You see like the flicker. Watch it. 4 bad people in them, you know, without hustle them and hustle.
50. Don't sleep. 150
So they must sell chocolate.
150. Oh, come think this is shop. In money's video in Ono. Oh, don't get on me.
Police have a shirt.
Yeah. You see that?
Yes, man, never walk. Yo, we see camera dinner. Yo, let me know, yo, let me.
No. You know how much for this?
20,000. That's cheap. I don't want to go back there, man. Go back there.
What you do with the umbrella?
Not play with things, bro.
Oh God.
Yo, I want
See your daughter mash up my umbrella, say we mash up him off your buy back. 7 something my pay feet. I tell you I'm ready. Oh, Lord's birthday. You're too mean. I see you. That's why you're too mean.
Yo, so now also with the umbrella then. Eh? Yeah, take the umbrella, eh?
I want it.
After him, I saw him, I told him, I'm a whole coat with the skin in him.
Anyway, so this one night machine them. That's what I tell them, say like the airport pick up and drop off. You see me? Nice luxurious ride. You see me? See if you don't have a look. Yeah. Nice machine. Yeah. Spacious, nice machine. There, man. Think I kind of dark though. No, on there.
So guys, I didn't vlog all day because I was so worried about NYLA.
But my eyes are swollen out.
Got bitten on her eye by a mosquito. It was actually fatter than this.
And I'm doing my thing and it works. And look at this. Guys. Look at this guy.
What's that?
I make it a boo-boo.
Mhm.
And sometimes put that camera down. No, let me show you. You have to do it. Make a new things you have. Look.
Okay, hold on, let me tell them about your eyes. So basically, the mosquitoes have been eating her up. I have the net, I have the bug sprays, I have the bug lotion, I have the destroy. I literally have been utilizing everything.
And it don't work. We have the bug spray.
Yeah, it's not working, right?
Yeah, and the bug spray thing.
They literally been like biting her up. No matter how I'm trying to protect her, it's just not helping. But let me see your eye, NYLA. It bit her. So yeah, I first originally noticed a little bump on her face here, on her cheek, and then it was on her eye. So I was like, oh, okay, it's small. And then she kept rubbing it. Even in her sleep, she kept rubbing it. We kept trying to. Ziggy didn't sleep last night because we were just like, bruh, what the actual?
No.
I'm not saying it. Yeah, and this morning she woke up, her eye was like swollen shut. Like, close your eye.
Don't say that.
Close your, open your other eye. Her eye was like this. And she's like, Mommy, kids, my eye, what's wrong with it? And I was like, oh. But I gave her some antihistamine because for some reason, I think she's actually allergic. The way how the bumps on her skin are, they're not like your typical mosquito bites, like how they're healing.
Guys, my Play-Doh, the Play-Doh can work to my mosquito bite off.
Yeah, look.
It will come off later.
Porting.
What do you think 14?
Porting.
Why?
Porting.
Why saying that?
But I got this other bug spray. from this store up here. So I'm gonna try it because supposedly it's really good.
And
It's not off-brand.
It smells too big.
Yeah, it smells too strong.
Yeah, it's too strong. But I used the mosquito bite can just come out with.
And not only that, she fell yesterday. She slipped in her Crocs. Poor thing, yo.
And sometimes I've used the Boo Boo kit to Play-Doh can work for now.
I'm here editing. Ziggy went to go on the road to pick up our ride, and then I've just literally been chilling. I'm just tired because.
And I'm chilling, and I'm playing something. Oh, where's the Ryan again?
All I keep saying is my eye's working. My eye's working.
Oh, my eyes are just a little tiny.
Yeah.
Oh, this one is a bigger one. I can see little.
Yeah. So I've just been like chilling.
And I'm chilling too.
Yeah.
I'm chilling.
Literally just been chilling because I'm just so tired.
I'm
been
chilling.
going to bed late. Waking up early.
Like it's wake up time, but it's sleeping time and bedtime either the day.
Okay. Can I talk now?
And the week is 5. And the week is 5 and 5 and 5. And 6 and...
Period. It's my time now. Not only that,
And now should we make 5 and 5 and 5? And why did you get my time?
the water has been gone
And
literally. It was like on this morning, but it was a little bit. Then it shut off, and then it came on, and now the water is gone. So also that my energy is just blah because of that.
Mike, come see this.
Literally made dinner. I just
Mike,
been
come
chilling
see
waiting for
this,
Ziggy to
Mommy.
come home.
Mike, come see this.
See what?
This. It's my foot.
But yeah, I'm gonna go back to editing because I have a bunch of videos that I have to edit.
And
before
can
don't
I
edit them,
talk,
so-
Mommy?
What do you want to say?
And I'm just cutting this. Look. And I tried to cut all the mosquito bite.
And you have the Play-Doh all over the bed. Not only that, I wanted to wash my hair today.
And Mommy's hair is so... My God. What you did?
I just flipped it.
Why? What? And guys, look at his foot. Wait, though.
I'm gonna go back to editing. Taking NYLA though. This is me trying. This is what happened when I'm trying to edit. It's so hard to edit. Where? Look at her. That's for them. Hey.
I'm firing!
I lost.
Say hi, Mommy. Say hi to the channel, please.
Hi. Guys, water is still gone.
Eat.
Day 2.
Eat.
Crazy. Crazy. Yo.
Hey, get up this morning, I vibe. Bro, skull. I'm a paintbrush I use. The days on the road, I know that done fast, you know? Oh, quick and easy. Watch it. That is so short here.
What?
Paintbrush.
What's on it?
Probably a lot of water. No.
It'd be nice if you can get one big black drum to, well, not big, but a small one to put here.
How many tongue? They are spicy, man.
I know.
But you can't go all this.
It's too big? I know someone's gonna comment and be like, this is why you should stay in the hotel. No, this is the lifestyle I enjoy. So I don't want to see no negative comments. When we used to live out here at my grandma's house, this is exactly how it was. So
Nothing wrong with it, it's just that this is how most people at Jamaica have to go through. So
yeah,
with the affair, we have to appreciate that.
Exactly.
Water not run go nowhere. We have water all the time.
unless you don't pay your bill.
You know what I mean? So I just say
I don't mind this lifestyle. And we have a tank at our house, but the problem is that it's too big to bring here. So unless we get like a small one, but
good.
yeah. If you guys grew up in Jamaica, you know This is nothing new. I'm gonna go bathe NYLA, so all the jugs we had are done. We're gonna fill them up. Wait to do dishes and everything, but it's life and it's fine. Big vacation and water is gone for how many days? Whee!
Usher.
There.
Hello. Hello.
Dante, man.
I don't want to cuss that's my the car party for me.
So where you go? Do you go start, you know?
Yeah. Yeah, start out there.
Hmm?
Hello. Come on, rendering this one too.
Come on.
I cannot come on, nobody's not Johnny.
I know, so why did you message me? See, you're gonna make me buy nothing for you.
Oh, just. Are you ringing my phone, you know? Are you ringing my phone?
Ring my phone. You know my number?
Let me see.
Oh.
And my phone's right behind you.
I'm probably allowed, so.
What are you going?
I can't really want to scream in my clothes.
She's not coming? No, she's gonna come.
Probably saying no feels so right.
Ziggy,
Eh?
I feel nobody saying.
Oh.
That's not fine.
Which number?
That's not fine.
I think, no, the first number I think I went for me when you say call you much time, I think I went for me one. No, but you say something 11.
No, that's a channel.
Yeah, so I know me say.
I mean, God, I say, I mean, cuss man.
Yeah, probably say, I can't bomb my clot.
Come in and say hello, and nobody answer.
So guys, Nyla's eye is finally getting better. Come on this side.
Come, knock out.
Knock out what, the bug? Your eye's getting better. Let me see your eye, mama. So mosquito had bit her right on her eye and it was like fat, but it's getting better, right? So we're just, everyone's saying they love your vlog. Tell them thank you.
Thank you. Oh.
Nyla determined to wear her ballerina shoes, you know.
Daddy, right the side.
So we're about to go to Falmouth because we gotta get some stuff. Also gotta get some moolah. And then we're gonna get some stuff for the house, and then also just try to find some little stuff that we can for the fun day. So that's what we're about to do. Then we're gonna come back home. We actually wanted to do something today, but there's no water and the day's kind of literally running out on us. We thought the water would have been back by now, but literally it's day 2 without water. Can you imagine the way how I would die? Yeah, it works.
Daddy, look, it's too sunny.
Oh, sorry.
But yeah, it's like I said, the day just catch up on us so quick. It's so crazy. Like, how's it? Is it 3 o'clock? No way. Oh, 1:27. But yeah, man, you guys, I literally been we have the net, we have the off spray, we have the kids one, we have the adult one, we have the off lotion, and I was using the kids one on her. I'm like, hey, maybe it's not strong enough.
later now?
Yes.
Or we'll talk about
You want to do some stuff she wants?
it. Yeah.
Okay. And nothing was working, but there's this one spray they have down here that's really good. I remember when we used to come out here, we used to use it. It's not an off-brand, but it's a different brand. It's really, really good. Like, so far, it's so good. Right, Nyla? No bites? But, I also need to get another chip. So my mission right now is to get another memory card because, I guess because we've been vlogging so much, yeah, I need it.
And the next part I plan to, I think I'm going to probably paint.
Yeah.
I'm going to do some painting today.
That's fun.
And cook.
Yeah, so that's what's going in today. I know you guys say you guys don't mind the chill vlogs, but we ourselves just want to go out and do some stuff before our trip is done. But Ziggy's also trying to help his mom do some stuff with the house before he leaves. So, but yeah, to be honest, even if we don't do much, like, it's still... Oh, let's put this here. Yo, is there a mosquito on my foot? It's still just nice and just a relaxing trip, which we don't mind. If you guys been watching our vlog...
Daddy is called the gym.
The gym?
Put him black clothes.
He's going to the gym.
And Daddy's not driving. He's gone.
But yeah, we don't mind just chilling, but we actually had plans for this trip, so hopefully we can actually do it. And now that we have the vehicle and stuff like that, so we'll see. Anyways, I'll catch you guys in the next clip when we're in Valley.
Live and direct out of this bomb. Man, I try bother Polly this morning, give him some trouble, but you see me?
Yo, it's so crazy how they change sex uniform.
Sex. What are you talking about?
Uniform. I don't like it. It looks like basic school uniform color. Is Oliver still here or no?
Yeah.
Why he's dancing? You hear it?
Mm-hmm. So is it 2 shifts that they have?
Yeah.
Look at how tight this man pants is.
So yeah, they stay for morning.
Oh, they have pineapple here and banana. Even coconut.
So I stay from morning.
Let me show them this house for sale. So guys, they have this house right here for sale. They have this house literally right in our town right here for sale. But I don't know, when we were... Well, I brought it up to Ziggy, but it just doesn't look... The inside is just not giving what it's supposed to give, and then there's no backyard space. So it's kind of like, even if you're gonna invest in that, there's just no yard space. And then the inside, how they did it wasn't like all that, to be honest.
It looked like church to me.
Yeah.
It looked
modern. Like it looked like they just dashed like random tiles and stuff.
But a long time it built still not that I think so like long time. Long before even film my brother below. So I know say a long time that they also did it.
And we probably should focus on our house first before we go before we even go think to buy another property. Like, focus on one property first, finish it, then think about doing another one. We didn't even get to go see our place yet. I think last Ziggy's uncle was supposed to go cut down the bush.
Yeah.
Even Langpan is not even a thing no more, guys. Langpan, where is it? I remember you used to always drive the sugar factory. When you used to drive by here, you used to always smell it.
Molasses.
It's like, yo, I don't know. They really.
So this is why the cane juice, the sugar come down, you know.
Yeah.
And then the truck them drive under it and load up from under it. Some while when them come collect sugar, like you see truck line up from way down so.
Yeah.
Come straight just and then they load up and ground back to your back. And carry.
Yeah, I can't believe it's like this.
The big yeah. The big yellow piece.
Yeah.
You probably can't go see it again.
Yeah, I can see it.
So that big yellow piece right there, so that's a crane.
Yeah.
So like when the truck them come, all I cane them go in there, and then you have one something, we don't want a knife funny. We cut up the cane them. And you push.
You've been in there before?
Yeah.
Or you
There so we know, you know.
Oh.
And he push ground on the next side and he squeeze. All kind of
It's like one big juicer.
Yeah. But like the process side always like to watch it how they intoxicate them.
But they have a lot of
I go in the history, you know what I mean? How it takes it. Let me see if we can see. yeah, that big part there right on this now. Over this.
Yeah.
So that the part there where you truck them come in and that they test the cane them.
Oh.
To see if he cane them good or.
Oh, so they have to test them.
Yeah.
And that place alone have a lot of land too, right?
Yeah man, all I saw for them.
That's crazy.
All of this.
But yo, imagine like building up little houses and stuff here.
The government land man.
Just saying.
There's
like,
even now like I think people somebody want to buy out over there. But they don't want to sell them it.
But why? For years, even when I was younger and coming here over the years, I always heard that people have been wanting to buy it.
Yeah.
Guys, when I come back, I'm gonna show you this one building that we were trying to inquire about from like a long time ago. But what much was the Chinese that own it?
Yeah. So they want everything in the US.
Everything in US. Yeah, I think it was a lot million, like 1 point something million, no? It was a lot because we were thinking we had plans for it, like we were trying to do something with it, but the fact that they want US is like yo. But yeah, we're gonna listen to some music and talk some business, so we'll tune back in with you guys in a bit. Nobody to cuss me. So it's been done Wednesday time, so market, everything's keeping. Plus it's Christmas time, so everyone's like getting ready up and things. Yo, Christmas out here, if you've never come to Jamaica during Christmas time, I highly recommend that you do, because it's so nice. It's so festive and just so nice. But yeah, we're just driving into town. We're gonna have to look for parking and then
I'm gonna go do some shopping for
yeah. Oh, you're getting stuff for her?
Yeah.
It's about to be a busy one. I'll try to vlog what I can because we're probably gonna need all 4 hands. Yeah? Maybe you can get her pizza?
Huh?
Pizza?
If you want.
You want pizza, Mama?
And she said if you go somewhere because you will save the instead of
Yeah, right.
It's silver there.
Oh.
I like me other pizza.
It's so funny how now you're saying you like Canadian pizza more.
Because you know, like, the other one kind of, have so much oil in it.
Their pizza, I remember when I used to buy pizza out here and I'm like, I don't really like their pizza. And then Ziggy would be like, no, their pizza is good. Their pizza is the best pizza. Yeah, I'm gonna buy you pizza, Mama.
I say, I don't know. Like when we remember from the Domino's and them sitting there, like it's just soft and just, extra up or something.
Yo, when I ordered the small pizza though, I was not expecting it to be that small. How about that? I was like, that's it? It was literally like, it was so tiny. Guys, I want to wear my window down to show you guys, but...
What's it? Off of them road, yeah? The man them just walking the road like, yo, who they come? In a business.
What?
Just walking in town.
Literally though, they don't value their life.
Yeah man, walk out.
But yeah, we're gonna go find parking, y'all, and we'll tune back in.
One thing I don't understand, you know. They must say paid park, so you have to pay. Sorry. You have to pay and park. But at the same time, you have to park at your own risk. Or they mean when you have park, if you touch a car, then they no business with it? Or is it that if you park and not take a car, they no business with it? So what am I pay for? I just have to pay for your park. Am I? Alright, I'm going to go by the place. I go see.
Hi. Yeah.
I don't have one. This is Africa.
Yeah, so we're just in a store looking for some stuff. That's funny. That is hilarious.
Bless you.
What's your popcorn?
Popcorn,
Yeah.
150.
I don't. You owe me 50.
Can bless somebody with it, you know? So you can bless somebody else with it, you know?
Another store.
Wait, what is that?
No clue. It's still too many small pieces.
I don't know what it looked like.
It's just a little ice cream thing. They have like little bracelet stuff that you can make. Maybe bag, like maybe they can use bags. But I know you said for the bigger kids you wanted the remote control cars, right?
Like,
No? No?
no.
What about piano? No. Like stuff like this for them, like the makeups. But yeah, no, that's what I was trying to, like I have some bead, someone gave me a bead set where you make bracelets and stuff like that. That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
And when we went to town, we saw stuff like that.
Okay, we'll wait till we go to San Diego the other day.
Okay.
This don't look like Peppa Pig.
It doesn't look like Peppa Pig?
It does look like.
Oh, it does, yeah.
Yeah, it looks like silly Peppa Pig.
Okay, let's go then.
How about this? I have Peppa Pig too.
Yeah.
How about
Thank you. You're sharing? Good girl. Go. Go with daddy. It's okay, go. Hello. Let me walk beside you because okay.
Yeah, let's see a word.
Guys, the town is crazy, 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 crazy. Do not
that's not how Mommy talks.
do not come to Fali and just park anywhere.
And even if you park, just make sure you say, even if I know you are drive, or if I drive, make sure there's somebody around the steering so they can contact these somebody.
And if you can't
Yeah.
drive, don't sit there and make them put the thing on the car.
I know, because me I say why she never like tell him, say, yo, alright,
Yeah, let me just go
call
get
him.
her. Yeah.
I even tell the dog, say, let me get her $5, man. And
Yeah. Because enough times when you come out here, if you just kind of squeeze to them something, they will let you out. They will be like, alright.
Then my woman just say, I like I say. So I say, I left me something. That I woman that part.
Watch her just go dressed in her best suit and sitting in there collecting money.
She's working.
Ziggy.
Oh, you there, walk so big and boss in the middle of the road.
I was cheaper.
So I got a champion. Go check if they take.
We'll catch you guys. So guys, I stopped at this place called Shakura, I don't know what it's called, but
Can I eat the pizza now?
it's kind of like Chinese food-ish. Yo, when I tell you they pack up your plate. But I just got some lau mein and spicy chicken. About to see how that is. And Nyla wanted pizza.
I'm not hungry yet. And Mommy?
So can I eat it?
Yeah, you can eat a lot.
You know what it is? It's oily and it's always so soft. That's what it is. But Pizza Hut's like that. When we go back, let's try Pizza Hut.
But next stop I know. Where you go?
You said you're bringing the car.
Oh, we go do one little work on the car. And then home. Then I go buy some oxtail. Cook.
Ew!
That food, whew, the lau mein and spicy chicken, that was so good. Ziggy ordered fried rice and what? Sweet and sour chicken and couldn't even eat it. End up eat out mine.
It not taste like the sweet and sour chicken.
It is, yeah, I can tell from how it looked. It just looked like ketchup. Like they just fry the chicken and dash it. But where's the camera going? The camera literally filming my armpit. But yeah, we're heading back home. We stopped to get some oxtail. I keep forgetting to walk with bag. I literally keep forgetting to walk with shopping bag when I go out. But that's what's going on right now. We're just hoping and praying that water is back because, bro, when water is not here, the place just feels so bleh. It just feels so blah.
I enjoy like the vibe of that, like water gone and them stuff. Like, if you don't, if you not full up back police, then you go first.
Yeah. It's not.
Yes, now the battery are dead.
Like I know some people were saying, oh, why didn't we stay? I think we already addressed this, like stay in the Airbnb and stuff like that.
Right.
And hotel, to be honest, guys, when I come to Jamaica, I cannot. I can't do hotel. I'll do Airbnb, but I can do it for like a couple of days. I love to experience the real yacht vibe, like hearing people on the lane, seeing the little kids, just holding that vibe. Like literally, the last couple of nights since we've been here, everyone's just been chilling outside. If you're on hotel and beach, it's just typical wake up, go beach, go pool, eat, drink, repeat.
Yeah.
At least when we're out here, you're like, it's just nice. Even if you wake up and chilling, it's nice.
You understand? Like,
I just rather this lifestyle. This is the Jamaica life I like. The hotel,
like natural.
yeah, the whole natural. People, you're sitting there and people come, oh girl, you want this? You want jelly? Yo, the amount of stuff people have brought us. Yeah. This is just what we like. Maybe that's what you guys like. And I know I commented, like in one of my vlogs, I said something about I have my yacht clothes, I have my going out clothes, and someone said, no, you don't need yacht clothes, you just wear. And I'm like, nah, like that's the difference. When I come out here, like this is my home. I don't need to be dressing up every day. I don't need to be like all dolled up all the time. When I'm going out, that's a different story. But when I'm just down here, like I like to just blend in and just chill, just as if I was at home. I don't dress up every day in my house. This battery's about to die. We didn't charge it for a day. The battery on this camera is really good, by the way, but we'll catch you guys because this is dying. Back home, I'm gonna do a quick do like a bruh. I'm gonna do a quick grocery haul on everything that we got. How much did we spend again, Ziggy? Like 12,000? We spent like roughly $12,000. So we did get a case of water, and then we got some tea bags. So we got these two tea brands, just some ginger tea and peppermint tea. You guys seen this one on our channel before. And then we got, okay, so that light, I need to go charge my light. But anyways, we got a pack of salt, so I'm gonna put in the jar. I got this yogurt, well, NYLA saw this yogurt, it's for babies, but she wanted to try it, so I got one of these. Got some Shirley biscuits, the chocolate and the coconut. These are like my favorite ones. So these are just to snack on. Got some Oreos for NYLA. Again, these are just stuff for her to snack on. She loves Oreos. And then we got some cheesies, some snackable hot and spicy. These are so good. Got some Ruffles chips. I basically got like 3 of each. We got some whole wheat bread. This bread's so good. This bread, oh shoot. Got some Red Bull for Ziggy. With this, we went to a different wholesale than the one we went last time. This one seemed a little bit more cheaper than the first one that we went to. Got some cheese, because NYLA loves the cheese snacks. We got some noodles to make like either pasta or some side veg or something. Some brown sugar. Huh? You call me? I got some Welch's again, just mainly some little snacks. Some cornstarch. Some oil. And then we got flour, we got rice. Got some popcorn. And we got some butter beans. And I feel like I've seen, yeah, we got 2 butter beans. And some jack mackerel. So basically that's everything that we got, and I'm pretty sure we spent 12,000. It wasn't 12, it was like 11 or something like that. I'm about to go help Ziggy cook because he's readying up to cook right now. Water is still gone, so I'm gonna go try wash up these dishes and sort out dinner.
hard, we try. Nobody here we cry. Them not care for you for we alone. Been through the storm when the rain is on. We saw no one. We alone.